As I said before, we like to have a lot of fun while we're doing it. You're going to see in this next clip of how I introduce the alphabet. We have something called the ritmo de rumba, which is a rumba beat. The kids are not only learning the alphabet and the sounds, but they're learning 30 vocabulary words, and they don't even know they're learning them. My students that you see doing this, they learned the whole alphabet A to Z in 2 days with all the body motions. They knew all the words and so forth. Check this out. Plus the kids get to move up, stand up, move around a little bit, not run around the class or anything, but just so they're getting up and moving around, doing the body motions, makes it a lot easier for them to remember. Check this out. We're a little quick this time, aren't we? Okay, I bet we can do it. A, araña, B, bandera. A, araña, B, bandera. C, caballo, che, chaqueta.
C, caballo, che, chaqueta.
D, dientes, elefante.
D, dientes, elefante.
F, flor, G, gato.
F, flor, G, gato.
How'd you like that rumba beat? As you can see, the kids enjoy doing it as well, and they're learning the sounds and the words without even knowing it. It's also very important that the kids have fun doing what they're doing. It's a lot of fun that the kids are dancing and moving around and all that, and that's our purpose. Our #1 goal is for your kids to enjoy learning Spanish. Whether they start at age 5 or 25, learning a foreign language is a lifelong process. We want it to be a fun one, especially at the start. That first touch needs to be something that's a lot of fun.